Have you ever seen a math problem like this? 5 divided by 5, divided by 5, divided by 5. If you enjoy untangling these deceptively simple problems, subscribe for more quick math tutorials. This problem is a perfect example of how division can be tricky. Let's look at the common mistake first. The instinct for many is to do all the divisions at once. They think 5 divided by 5 is 1, and 5 divided by 5 is 1, so 1 divided by 1 must be 1. This seems logical, but it is incorrect. Let's find out why and then solve it the right way using the proper order of operations. The key rule for this problem is that division operations of equal priority must be performed from left to right. Our problem is 5 divided by 5, divided by 5, divided by 5. There are no parentheses or exponents, so we start with the divisions, moving strictly from left to right. Let's begin the correct way. Step 1. Take the first two numbers. 5 divided by 5 equals 1. So now our problem becomes 1 divided by 5 divided by 5. Step 2. Move right to the next division. 1 divided by 5 is 1/5. Our problem is now 1/5 divided by 5. Step 3. The final step. 1/5 divided by 5 is the same as 1/5 times 1/5. This equals 1/25. So, the correct answer is not 1, but 1/25. The key takeaway is that division is not associative. The order matters tremendously. Remember, when dealing with consecutive divisions, always work from left to right. If this clear explanation helped you, please give this video a like. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel for more content that makes math easy. Let us know in the comments what other problems we should solve next. Thanks for watching.